Start करें. Hello students, today I am teaching you multiplication and divide of surds. Before I start multiply and divide, once I can revise you how to simplify a surd. Example, so root 50. So to simplify this, we will find the prime factor of 50. Prime factor of 50 is 5 into 5 into 2. And for these two 5, 1 will come out. So 5 root 2. So the simplified form of root 50 is 5 root 2. Understand? Similarly, next root 180. So find the prime factor of root 180. 2 to the 4 to the 3 into 3 into 5. 2 to the 4, 3 the 12, 12 3 the 36, 36 5 the 180. So first we will do prime factor of that number. Here is 180, so I found the prime factor of 180. Now make the pair 2, 3. So one pair is 2 and one pair is 3 here. So 1, 2 will come out and 1, 3 will come out and 5 will remain inside. So outside come 2 into 6, 2 into 3 equals 6 root 5. So simplified form of 180 is 6 root 5. Here 243. Root 243, we find the prime factor of this one. 3, 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81, 3 is 243. So here how many pairs of 3 are? 2 pairs. So for each pair 1, 3 will come out. So here 3 into 3 root 3, that became 9 root 3. So the simplest form of root 243 is 9 root 3. So in this way you will simplify. Now follow how to multiply. Root 2 into root 2, that comes 2. Root 3 into root 3, that comes 3. Root 4 into root 4 comes 4. Similarly, root 5 into root 5 comes 5. And if you do so on, it may root x into root x will come x. Root y into root y equal y. Root z into root z equal z. So if the two similar roots are coming, if two similar root you are multiplying, then root 2 into root will come 2. How it will come 2? In this way you can follow it. Root 2 we can write in the form of power. Their power became half. Then we multiply 2. Base are same 2 and 2. Then power will add together. Half into half comes 1. Power is 1. Then you can write 2. So in this way this comes. And similarly root x into root x equal x. Root y equal root y into y equal y. And root z into root z equal z. Understand? Now some other sums I am doing. multiply root 4 root 3 into 7 root 2. So how will multiply this one? What the number is outside of the root, it will multiply with outside. That means this 4 will multiply with this 7. So 4 7 are 28. And root 3 and root 2. We will multiply together, will come root 6. Okay. So in this way we will do multiplication. Next type of multiplication. Suppose you have to multiply 3 plus root 5 into 2 plus root 2. Suppose you have to multiply this type of sum. So what you will do? As you do in algebra. So similarly by 3 first you will multiply these 2. Then again by 3 you will multiply this 2. So 3 to the 6. And this plus plus plus. 3 and root 3, root 2. 3 into root 2, what comes? 3 root 2 will come. Now again by root 5 you will multiply this one. So by root 5 you will first multiply root 2 and then by root 2. So it will come 2 root 5 plus root 10. Root 5 and root 2 multiplied, then came 10. So 3 first multiply by this 2 came 6. Again 3 multiply by root 2 came 3 root 2, and root 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 2, then it came 2 root 5, and root 5 and root 2 multiplied, then came root 10. In this way we will do multiplication. Now how to divide? Division is done by rationalization. Then what is rationalization? What is rationalization? Rationalization is actually removing irrational numbers from denominator into रेशनल नंबर. डेनोमिनेटर से इरेशनल नंबर को रेशनल नंबर में बदलने की क्रिया को ही रेशनलाइजेशन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू हैव टू रेशनलाइज 1 by root 2, हाउ विल रेशनलाइज दिस वन? दिस इज रिटन एक्चुअली 1 by root 2 and multiply what is number in denominator? Root 2 is. So with this root 2 we will multiply in numerator and denominator both. Now 1 into root 2 comes root 2, and root 2 into root 2, what comes? Only 2. So here you can see in denominator here was rational number, irrational numbers that became rational number. Okay, so this one is answer. If you see, just I told you to divide root 5 divided by root 3. How we will divide this one? You can write this one root 5 by root 3. Then rationalize root 5 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Then multiply numerator with numerator will come root 15, and root 3 comes only 3. This one is the answer. Understand? In this way you will do rationalization. Some other numbers how will rationalize? Follow here. Suppose you have to rationalize 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. We have to rationalize this one. So how we will do? Rationalization 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Just I got same number here. Now I will multiply by how much? What the number is given. In denominator you will change the sign. Here is minus 2 minus root 3. Then you will change it 2 plus root 3. And by 2 plus root 3 we will multiply both numerator and denominator. 2 plus root 3. Follow here what I have written. Here is minus, here I wrote plus in both one. And now denominator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. Here is 2 plus root 3. Here is also 2 plus root 3. Same number is then a plus b into a plus b becomes what? A plus b whole square. So 2 plus root 3 whole square, and here is 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3. So in the form of algebra, a minus b into a plus b, what comes? A square minus b square. So you can write here 2 square minus root 3 square. Now this one is in the form of a plus b whole square. So you will put on that formula, a plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write here this one 2a square plus 2 into root 3 plus root 3 whole square. So this one I wrote in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. And now below this one 2a square. 2a square comes what? 2 to the 4 minus root 3 square means multiply root 3 2 times. Root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 comes only 3. And now there it became 4 plus 2 to the 4 root 3. And this is 3 only. And here 4 minus 3 1. Then here is 4 and 3 add together, that comes 7 plus 4 root 3, and denominator is 1, we may not write that one. So this is the answer of this sum. I hope you have understand. If you have any problem you may ask. Thank you today.